welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make smoked grilled picanha. Yeah, delicious. Wait, you're going to smoke it? This video will be tagged as blasphemy in Brazil. So you see here, man is marking the direction of the grain, and that's important to cut against the grain on the final product there. Now he's scoring the fat cap, and this is a really nice fat cap. You might have seen previous videos where there's been some not so nice fat caps that you might want to trim, but that's also blasphemy. You're supposed to just leave the fat cap as it is. And to begin this blasphemous journey, we're going to put this picanha on the top rack of a smoker, and we're going to smoke it at 165 using mesquite pellets until it reaches a temp of 120. So that's nice, low and slow, and it should take about 1 to 2 hours to reach that internal temp. And hey, there we are. Look at that color. You could see the nice dark smoke color change the fat cap, making it darker. And if you don't know, mesquite's got a lot of flavor. It's heavy. So for a short smoke like this, 1 to 2 hours, that's perfect. So we're going to bring it to the cutting board, and we're going to slice it up and finish it on the grill. But this is what we've got. Oh, take a look at that. It looks like it's done already. But wait, it's not. But the best part about picanha is cooking it on an open flame and letting that flame kiss that fat cap and give you that delicious flavor. So this part's up to you, but we're going to cut a thick slice with a 2-finger width method right here. If you want to go thinner, fatter, or just, throw the whole thing onto the grill, why not? Now, using this technique, you're going to be able to have some char grilled sides and some pink in the center. Everybody likes pink in the center, right? So now we're going to use the only seasoning, which is barbecue salt. Yes, it's all you need right here. Feel free to put steak seasoning. That's very American of you. But you want to be traditional and just use some barbecue salt, Churrasco salt. And we're only going to salt one side and put it salt side down. I mean, you could put it salt side up if you like. You could salt both sides. You could use no salt. You could tell us meat is murder in the comments section. Whatever. So the important part here is we're going to grill this with the lid open and going to run it on a medium to medium high flame. You want to have that flame really get into this meat and into the fat cap, but you don't want to have the lid closed because you're going to end up having the fire department called to your house, really. So stay by the grill. Don't walk away. Don't get a beer. Just stay by the grill. Watch this. It's going to catch on fire if you step away, and you'll have the fire department at your house. I'm not saying that happened, but I mean, you could. And you're not going to see it too much in this video here, but if you do like eating fat, it's a good idea to turn it fat side down as well, just to get that fat cap right there in the fire. I mean, if you already like eating fat, you know what I'm talking about. Because that's where the flavor is at. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Churrasco picanha, you might be looking at that salt and saying, oh man, that's really salty. Well, that's why you got to put it salt side down first. A lot of that salt falls off, but it does its job when you're cooking, and it adds flavor, and it's delicious. But now it's understandable if you want to salt, pepper, and garlic that, SPG it up, go for it. So this is going to be a little bit more difficult to cook by feel. You want to cook this by temp with a temp probe. And once it reaches your preferred range, go ahead and get it off the grill. And after you let it rest for at least 5 minutes, it's okay to go ahead and slice in. You know, electric knives are not too bad. They're making a comeback from the 70s. Or, I don't know, maybe man's just stuck in the 70s. But hey, check this out. I mean, look at this. Now I know it's a lot of fat. That's that fat cap right there. You don't have to eat the fat. You can eat around the fat. But that is what makes picanha so special. Oh, yeah. I know you're getting hungry. Look at that. And this has got the nice smoky flavor. It's got the natural churrasco with just salt seasoning on it. Oh, yeah. Delicious. What are you having for dinner? Another Swanson Salisbury steak? You could be making this. Oh, man. And then you have meals for like at least 2 days. Or if you have 3 people in your house, a meal for 1 day. Food porn flyover. Well, hey, thanks for watching this quick and easy video. We hope you enjoyed it. Click like, click subscribe. Check out our other picanha videos, our other grilling and smoking videos. Write something nice or terribly mean in our comment section. Thanks for watching.